Hello friends, I'm Dr. Rakesh Joshi. Today is 23rd of July 2025 and I am in Washington DC, capital of USA. I've been selected for Jewel of India Award by NRI Society of US. Now we have reached Parliament building. This is the entry place of Parliament. You can see the central dome of Parliament in the background, and we'll be taking entry from this side. First, we'll be going to the public area, which is where you buy a ticket and you are given a tour. And once this is the outer part of the building, where there is lobby and there are few statues from the history, and you can see how beautiful this statue is. And we are getting collected here, and from first floor you can see the view of Parliament Annexy. Now we will be going to the central hall of the Parliament, or the central dome of the Capitol building. This is the central hall. Now you can see how well decorated this hall is, and the highlight of this building is this dome. This is built in Gothic style. You find similar domes in all through Europe, where all medieval age buildings have these type of domes. And this also has number of statues of historically important persons. Here we have reached Embassy of India in Washington DC. We will be felicitated in the embassy by the ambassador, Mr. Vinay Quatra, and we are waiting for our entry to embassy. And this is the entry gate. And now we have reached the conference hall of Indian Embassy, where you can see Indian Ambassador Mr. Vinay Quatra meeting Mr. Deepak Singh, who is the convener of NRI Welfare Society. This is me and my wife Rohini with His Excellency Ambassador of India Mr. Vinay Quatra. Now we are in the library building of the Parliament of US, Capitol Hill. And first we are being addressed by Padam Shri Dr. V.K. Shah, who is the President of NRI Society of US. And now Mr. Thanedar, who is a person of Indian origin and is now the MP from Michigan State. He is addressing the gathering. I am being given the medal by a presidential candidate of Congo. It has been a great honor to receive the Jewel of India Award from dignitaries like Mr. Thanedar and Mr. Martin Fayulu. And this is the group photograph of all the awardees in the background, and the VIPs sitting in front. So friends, it has been a great honor to receive such a great award in Washington DC from one of the MPs of USA. Thank you very much for watching this.